Loews has 439 guest rooms, including 37 suites. Each comes with a television with pay-per-view option, free Wi-Fi, coffee and tea makers and bathrobes. Sumptuous bathrooms offer deep soaking tubs and separate showers. Also, each unit displays a private deck or balcony overlooking the pools, Marina, Coronado Bay or lush gardens between buildings. Loews Resort is about 10 minutes past downtown Coronado shops and restaurants. It sits on the bay side of Coronado's Silver Strand Road, within walking distance of the Pacific at Silver Strand State Beach. The room was absolutely gorgeous, and every detail was thought out, well designed and perfect. The view was incredible. Everything was spotless, clean, beautiful and comfortable. Marina View rooms provide stunning views of the marina from their fully furnished private balcony. Bathroom. Soothing contemporary bathrooms have sea green walls, striking green mosaic tile backsplashes, dark wood vanities with storage cubbies, white marble counters, deep Japanese-style soaking tubs, and glass enclosed walk-in showers. Loews features 3 large pools, and one of them is adults only. Bordered by lush tropical landscaping, the sprawling pool area, which also has a hot tub, includes plenty of lounge seating and a poolside concierge. Loews Serene Sea Spa is a full-service spa offering ocean-inspired treatments, including massages, facials, and body skincare. Loews offers 4 courtyard gardens. Each garden has a uniqueness about it while offering tranquility and lushness, a couple with edibles. The Grow Garden provides vegetation which the chefs use in preparing cuisine for Crown Landing. The Bliss Garden has a stone labyrinth to walk and a large sphere-shaped water feature. The Solstice Garden also has a soothing water feature with umbrella-covered couches and a glorious bay view, and the Nectar Garden is surrounded by citrus trees, again used by the chefs. The lobby is stunning with a magnificent curvy grand staircase. The grounds and gardens are well manicured and stunning. From the beautiful bay views, the yacht-filled marina views, the pool views etc., you can't go wrong. Loews Coronado Bay Resort offers complimentary shuttle service to Silver Strand Beach in downtown Coronado Village. The resort is elegant and still family-friendly. It's spacious enough that it doesn't feel like people are on top of one another with every corner you turn. The list of activities and amenities can be found on their website, as well as the upcoming events. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.